What's the meaning of bring in by sale? Bring in by sale. Bring in by sale.
Bring in by sale. Bring in by sale. A bring-in by sale is a type of fundraising event where people are invited to bring items they no longer need or want, and then those items are sold to others at the event. The proceeds from the sales are then typically donated to a charity or other worthy cause. These sales can be held in a variety of settings, such as schools, churches, or community centers, and are usually organized by volunteers. The result of a successful bring-in by sale is that unwanted items are recycled, money is raised for a good cause, and the community comes together to support each other and those in need.